Hello friends, welcome to day 9 of our exciting AI journey. Hi, I am Akshit Goyal. So today let us discuss about regression versus classification, which is the broad categories for machine learning problem types. We can classify machine learning problems in two categories as regression or classification. So let us go ahead. Machine learning is categorized into two different types, regression and classification. So for correct classification for any of the AI problems, let us categorize them between regression or classification, which are the broad categories. So let us start with the differences. So we have regression, and on the other end we have classification. Now let us draw a line between these two. Now what is regression? Regression is used to predict continuous values, whereas classification is used to predict labels or categories. Where regression leads to a quantitative results, based on past trend, as classification leads to a particular category for the input. So what are the examples of regression? So for example, suppose stock price prediction is an example of regression, which is a quantitative value, whereas stock classification is a classification problem. This leads to a particular level to a stock. Second example is of weather price prediction, or you can say weather forecast. So this is predicted in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Here, weather categorization is a classification which leads to level of or category of hot or cold weather. Some of the other types of classification is spam filter detection. Here, if you want to go for frequency of spam filter detection and the exact numbers, then it will be regression. So we can, I hope you are able to understand these two. Now, when we think in terms of mathematical values, then let us see regression is plotted on the graph as a linear curve. So this can be here dependent variable is predicted based on the independent variable. That means y is equal to x naught plus vx I. So here this is a regression coefficient and xi is the independent variable and x naught is the constant, and y0 is the dependent variable. Whereas when we talk about classification, its curve is of a sigmoid curve. So we can see an example of logistic regression. So which is a combination of dependent variables, independent variables, and one coefficient. So this will be a categorical value, and this is for continuous value. So algorithm which ML algos which we use for classification are linear regression, second is polynomial regression, third is decision trees, and fourth is neural networks. And whereas for classification we have logistic regression, random forest, and neural networks. So thanks, we have completed the differences between regression and classification. Hello friends, today we have covered day 9 of our AI content challenge. So that was regression versus classification, understanding machine learning problem types. Tomorrow we'll be covering feature engineering, art of making data useful. Okay, so do subscribe to our channel, do hit the like button, and turn the notification on so that you don't miss any of the day content. So keep learning AI. Let us learn AI together. Thank you. Bye bye.